رب اجعلني مقيم الصلاة ومن ذريتي ربنا وتقبل دعاء.
O my Lord, make me one who establishes regular prayer and also raise such among my offspring, O our Lord. And accept thou my prayer.
ربنا اغفر لي ولوالدي وللمؤمنين يوم يقوم الحساب.
O our Lord, cover us with thy forgiveness, me, my parents, and all believers on the day that the reckoning will be established.
وزكريا إذ نادى ربه رب لا تذرني فردا وأنت خير الوارثين.
And, remember, Zachariah when he cried to his Lord, O my Lord, leave me not without offspring, though thou art the best of inheritors.
رب هب لي من الصالحين.
O my Lord, grant me a righteous son.
هنالك دعا زكريا ربه قال رب هب لي من لدنك ذرية طيبة إنك سميع الدعاء.
There did Zachariah pray to his Lord, saying, My Lord, grant unto me from thee a progeny that is pure, for thou art he that heareth prayer.
والذين يقولون ربنا هب لنا من أزواجنا وذرياتنا قرة أعين واجعلنا للمتقين إماما.
And those who pray, Our Lord, grant unto us wives and offspring who will be the comfort of our eyes, and give us the grace to lead the righteous.
ربنا واجعلنا مسلمين لك ومن ذريتنا أمة مسلمة لك وأرنا مناسكنا وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم.
Our Lord, make of us Muslims bowing to thy will, and of our progeny a people Muslim bowing to thy will, and show us our places for the celebration of due rights, and turn unto us in mercy, for thou art the oft returning most merciful.
ووصينا الإنسان بوالديه إحسانا حملته أمه كرها ووضعته كرها وحمله وفصاله 30 شهرا حتى إذا بلغ أشده وبلغ 40 سنة قال رب أوزعني أن أشكر نعمتك التي أنعمت علي وعلى والدي وأن أعمل صالحا ترضاه وأصلح لي في ذريتي إني تبت إليك وإني من المسلمين.
We have enjoined on man kindness to his parents, in pain did his mother bear him, and in pain did she give him birth. The carrying of the child to his weaning is a period of 30 months. At length, when he reaches the age of full strength and attains 40 years, he says, O my Lord, grant me that I may be grateful for thy favor which thou hast bestowed upon me and upon both my parents, and that I may work righteousness such as thou mayest approve, and be gracious to me in my issue. Truly have I turned to thee, and truly do I bow to thee in Islam.
واخفض لهما جناح الذل من الرحمة وقل رب ارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا.
And out of kindness lower to them the wing of humility, and say, My Lord, bestow on them thy mercy even as they cherished me in childhood.
رب اغفر لي ولوالدي ولمن دخل بيتي مؤمنا وللمؤمنين والمؤمنات ولا تزد الظالمين إلا تبارا.
O my Lord, forgive me, my parents, all who enter my house in faith, and all believing men and believing women, and to the wrongdoers grant thou no increase but in perdition.